Spring is here, and there's no better way to breathe new life into your home than with lush, thriving indoor plants. So let's dive right into your next favorite green companion. ZZ plant, tolerant of neglect, low light and dry conditions. It's ideal for offices and darker corners. Rubber plant, glossy and air purifying. Keep it in bright light and water when the soil dries out. String of pearls, a charming succulent with beaded vines. Prefers bright light and minimal watering. Pilea, nicknamed friendship plant, it loves indirect sun and a misting every week. Let the soil dry between waterings. Fiddle leaf fig tree, a statement plant. It needs bright, indirect light and should only be watered when the topsoil is dry. Whalefin sansevieria. This rare snake plant stands out with its broad, fin-like leaf. It's tough, stylish, and thrives with minimal watering in well-draining soil. Perfect for low-maintenance plant parents. Anthurium veitchii, king anthurium. With massive ribbed leaves, this plant adds drama and elegance to any space. It loves humidity and indirect light, ideal for bathrooms or greenhouses. Dieffenbachia. Glossy patterned leaves make this an aesthetic winner. It purifies air and needs watering every 10 days. Keep it in partial sunlight for best growth. Alocasia, tiny dancer. Its whimsical upright stems make it look like it's dancing. A great tropical plant that thrives in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity. Georginanthus. Dark purple leaves give this plant a bold look. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in indirect light, requiring water only when the soil is fully dry. Pink polka dot plant. Small but eye-catching, this pink speckled beauty does well in humid environments like terrariums. Keep it in bright light for the best color. Alocasia mellow. Thick, textured leaves make this a unique addition. It prefers filtered light and can scorch in direct sun, so keep it shaded. Norfolk pine, a mini evergreen that brings holiday vibes all year round. Loves medium light and cooler temps. Water sparingly in winter. Calathea white fusion. Stunning variegated foliage that changes hues under sunlight. A true prayer plant that moves with the earth's path. Bay laurel tree. Aromatic and evergreen, this tree looks great in a pot. Bonus, you can harvest the leaves for cooking. Wintergreen berries. Cold-tolerant and mint-scented when touched, this plant brings color and fragrance to indoor spaces during colder months. Christmas cactus. It blooms in December with vibrant flowers. Unlike desert cacti, it loves humidity and dappled light. Moonshine snake plant. With silvery foliage, this snake plant tolerates low light and needs infrequent watering. Great for beginners. Purple passion plant. Velvety bright purple leaves make this plant a showstopper. It's a thirsty one, so keep it well watered near a window. Red Chinese evergreen. Striking red-green foliage and easygoing care. Just keep it away from direct sun and water constantly. Bird's nest fern. Glossy curled leaves retain moisture well. It prefers humidity and low to medium light. Zebra plant. Haworthia. Tiny but tough, this striped succulent looks great on windowsills. Let the soil dry out completely before watering. Majesty palm. Adds vertical interest and purifies air. It's safe for pets and thrives in bright, indirect light. Prayer plant. Beauty Kim. Its leaves fold at night like praying hands. This is a forgiving, low-light friendly plant for any level gardener. Monstera Swiss cheese plant. Its perforated leaves are iconic. Loves bright, indirect light and weekly watering. Blue star fern. This lush, wavy-leafed fern loves moisture and looks best when cascading from a hanging pot. Boston fern. humidity-loving, and perfect for bathrooms. Let the soil dry between waterings. Algerian ivy. Fast-growing and trailing, this ivy just needs regular pruning and watering. It thrives in shade. Tricolor Hoya, Crimson Queen. Waxy, colorful leaves with trailing vines. It's pet-safe and thrives on a bi-weekly watering schedule. Corkscrew Rush. This plant's spiral stems are quirky and fun. Keep it in moist soil and indirect light. Golden Pothos, a classic low-maintenance trailing plant. Easily propagated and great in indirect light. Sweetheart Wax Plant, Hoya Carey, a heart-shaped succulent that's super low maintenance. Water every 3 to 4 weeks and place in bright light. Anthurium, known for waxy red flowers, it requires watering every week or two and occasional feeding. Bird of Paradise, bold and tropical, needs bright light and regular feeding during active growth. Sansevieria Snake Plant, the ultimate low-care plant. It thrives in indirect light and infrequent watering. Watermelon Peperomia, cute and compact with stripy leaves. It handles mist waterings but loves bright light. Begonia maculata, polka-dotted leaves and easy care. It even thrives under fluorescent light. Air plants, no soil needed. Just soak them in water weekly and place in bright, indirect light. Peace lily, elegant and air-purifying. It loves low light and moist soil. Split-leaf philodendron, a sprawling beauty that loves bright light and regular watering. Make room for its giant leaves. Chlomosis asparagus fern, feathery and soft, this plant does well in indirect light with consistent watering. Jade plant, a symbol of prosperity, it's drought-tolerant and needs just a few hours of sun. Aloe vera, not only beautiful but also useful. Loves sunlight and needs watering only when the soil is dry. Spider plant, classic and easy, great for hanging planters and even produces baby plants you can repot. From air-purifying wonders to show-stopping foliage, there's a plant on this list for every room and every plant parent. Which one are you adding to your indoor jungle this spring? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-loving content. And hit the bell icon so you never miss a leafy update.